Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation aims to be a center of excellence for biotechnology. Biotech offers tremendous opportunities for improvements in healthcare, agricultural production, and the environment. In Hong Kong, more and more companies are pursuing R&D in scientific fields impacted by biotechnology, including medical devices and diagnostics, therapeutics and personal care, regenerative medicine, and Chinese medicine. Professor Albert Yu.
We have one of the greatest group of scientists in Asia. If you look at our research productivity and the project that we are doing and the publication we have published in the last 10 years, is one of the top in Asia.
Hong Kong Science Park is home to 350 technology companies, around 50 of which are biotech players. Professor John Chai.
We can attribute at least half of the dollar revenue of R&D spent back to Science Park and its companies. If we start counting all the research expertise in Hong Kong, we can also attribute half of them back to Science Park.
Hong Kong Science Park encourages innovation through its biotech incubation program.
It's a 4-year program. So basically the first year we got the lab, the space for free, and then from the second to the 4th year we can have it for half rent.
In the meantime, we can have around 800,000 funding support, especially for example, promotions, press release, press conference, and also for some others activities.
With its campus-like environment and other research institutes in close proximity, Hong Kong Science Park stimulates cooperation between biotech players. Professor Chung.
I think in essence, Hong Kong IB and the Science Park has actually succeeded in creating a hub, a community, a cluster of biotech companies in this part of Hong Kong. And I think Hong Kong IB, together with the Science Park, actually bring or narrow the gap between academia and industry.
Clinical trials for pharmaceutical products are often conducted through Hong Kong's university hospitals. Sabrina Chan of the Hong Kong Association of Pharmaceutical Industries.
Clinical trial is very important to enhance the medical technology of a place. For example, we have a very good medical school, 2 medical schools in Hong Kong. And they have a very good experts. We have renowned professor in specific disease area. So we do think Hong Kong has a potential to develop itself as a clinical trial site.
The international community is starting to recognize Hong Kong's favorable biotech climate. Albert Yu.
A few years ago, we were able to attract a Nobel Prize laureate like Arthur Combert. Now, he came to Hong Kong and publicly announced that he will serve as an advisor of a local company in Hong Kong because he can see that Hong Kong is a place to do biotech.
Hong Kong's favorable biotech climate is in no small part the result of a strong government commitment to stimulating the development of biotech firms with a strong focus on R&D in areas such as medical devices and diagnostics, therapeutics and personal care, regenerative medicine, and Chinese medicine.
So gradually you have a cluster of all these firms, okay, working towards a common theme of innovation and technology. Trying to change how we live, trying to impact not only the science but how the future of human life or the environment is.
Hong Kong Science and Technology Parks Corporation has much to offer companies aiming to capture the future of biotechnology.
So I would see that in the next 5 to 10 years, you'll be surprised to see Hong Kong become the biotech hub in Asia.